What is up, everybody? Welcome back to yet another vlog. I just left the Home Depot because there's a couple of issues with the car that we have to figure out, which we didn't know about. Number one, car's out of gas. Just got a gas tank that we're gonna head fill it up and head it back out to Gosh Design. And number two, the car has a dead battery. We're also gonna have to source that as well. So we're gonna call up a couple of places, see who has a battery, which we'll do probably another day. But as of right now, I'm gonna head out, put some gas in the gas tank, and head back out over to Gosh Design so we can put some gas into the car, and if he needs to move it around, we can move it around. But also, I need a favor from everybody. If you guys are liking the content so far, please make sure to like, subscribe, and comment on these videos so the algorithm can push us a little bit. Little note about California: if you're watching these vlogs outside of California, unfortunately the highest fuel that we have locally, there are some other places, other cities that have better fuel available, but it's quite a drive. Anyways, the best fuel you can get is 91. So we just filled up 91 in the gas tank. We got about 2 gallons in there. We're gonna go put that into the Q60 so that way she's not too thirsty. And I already called a few places for the battery. One place they said they'll have it available tomorrow for pickup, so I'll be able to pick up the battery tomorrow. That way the car will have a fresh battery as well, so once we get on the road we won't have any issues. But now thinking about it, there's another thing that we also have to do for the front bumper, which I remember the body shop told me is, since the front bumper is a custom bumper, there was a custom grille on it. Unfortunately, I don't have any way to source it, and I already talked to the shop that did make the bumper. They don't have the grille or any available material for the grille to replace it, which is the bottom 3 pieces. So I had an idea, which most of you are probably gonna hate me for it. Anyways, we're gonna hit up Home Depot again, probably not today, tomorrow or the next day or whatnot. We're gonna get some mesh fencing and create our own grille. Who would want to see us create a grille for the front bumper? If you want to see us do that, make sure you comment below, let us know your thoughts. But unfortunately, since it is a custom bumper, I have no other choice but to go ahead and do that. So, I mean, shouldn't look too bad, right? What do you guys think? Do you think it's gonna look bad? But it's okay, we'll leave that up for another video for you guys to comment whether it looks good or not. But as far as that goes, we'll get another grill going for the bottom 3 pieces. Got the gas, we have the battery coming in. We'll do that in the next vlog. If you guys don't know how to change the battery on the Q60 or Infiniti Q50, make sure you watch the video. We'll do a small DIY and put the battery in. But I'm sure everybody knows how to do battery change, right? It's not that difficult. Anyways, so let's go over to Gosh Design, see what he's done. The past couple of days were cold. He hadn't unwrapped the car. Today seems pretty warm, and I dressed warm. I don't know why, but let's get over there and see what he's done to it. If he hasn't done anything to it, we'll get some behind the scenes for you guys of the unwrapping of the color. And I'm really bummed about that too, because I like that color, but since they don't make it anymore, we have to switch it. All right, so just got to Gosh Design. Got the gas can right here. We're gonna go over here to the Q60. Parked it out here to go ahead and make sure, you know, the wrap is warm enough so the adhesive comes off easier when we're peeling it. So we're gonna put this here right now. I don't know if you guys have guessed it yet, but if you haven't, or if you're going to, let me know what you guys think the wrap color is gonna be on this car. Really curious to see what you guys think. But yeah, we did find the battery. I'll pick that up tomorrow, and we will make a stop over at Home Depot, pick up that fencing real quick. That is tomorrow as well, and I'll show you guys how we're gonna make that grill. Alright, so now we got the gas in here. Let's go ahead and start helping also out unwrapping the car a little bit, and go from there. At least we got some gas in here, right? Alright, we're gonna start. Hey, what are we doing right now? No, I do not want to wrap my hood that carbon fiber. Reason being is because it's already carbon fiber. Yeah, but by the way, he's very camera shy. It ain't up. He's very camera shy. Camera what? Afraid. Oh, camera afraid. All right. Let's start unwrapping. Come on. Wait, don't you need the jumper? Okay, he's gonna get the jumper real quick. Since we don't have a battery right now. Oh, and I also apparently gotta get new hinges for the hood. But I mean, the list keeps piling up, so see what happens. Engine bay is dirty. After the wrap, thinking basically going ahead and getting the car ceramic coated and having the entire engine bay detailed, which we'll also do. Notice the homeboy walking away from the camera as soon as he sees the camera. But either way, we're gonna get this bad boy jump started real quick, see what we're gonna do, and pull it in and start peeling off some of the old wrap. You guys ready for this? I'm not, but here we are. This is the kind of a shop that you want to come to when you know you're out of gas. He's already gone ahead and gotten some extra gas for me. This is how they take care of their customers over here. But he's gonna jump start the car real quick, and are we gonna peel it out here or inside?
Move it forward and see if it's...
He wants to move it forward and then see. But did you grab the keys? Okay, let me go grab the keys real quick. You got the hood?
Yep.
All right, so let's grab the keys real quick and get her started. One thing I gotta say, probably need a new key fob as well. One of those cool ones, you know? But I'm gonna clean up the inside as well. He's been really busy, hasn't had the chance to. Should I do the auto start or inside? Whew, it's been a minute. Literally like a couple of minutes. Oh. That paint, first paint. Let's go ahead and see what we're gonna do, whether we're gonna do it out here or back inside. Funny thing is, I feel like this car is costing me more to keep it than to get another car. You know, you could talk, you're not on camera, they can hear you. Anyways, so we definitely need another car for the channel, but this one still needs to get fixed because it's still one of my favorites. Oh, and check this out, guys. New tires. I need some new tires. Any companies out there that want to sponsor me with some new tires, holla at your boy. Because right now, I just got Lionhearts. Don't really track at the moment. Don't do much. But, you know, if you want to sponsor me with some tires, hit me up. We're still going to keep the car outside, start unwrapping it out here since it is still sunny, and then move it back inside. But it's been a few months. We haven't really gotten to see her or drive her. Time's getting closer and closer to being able to, and we'll go from there. Yeah, there's a flat tire as well. Just keep adding to the list, right? Screaming for new tires. Oh yeah. It's time for some new tires too. I do have an extra rear bumper sitting at home that I have been working on for quite some time. Maybe it's time to slap that on there. Maybe not. I don't know. We'll see. But we're just gonna keep taking the wrap off right now, and looks like he's got the hood almost done anyways. We only had like 1 or 2 pounds that we needed to take off, and he saved it just for me to be able to film it for you guys. But let's get to work and see what we get done today. I'm only gonna help him a little bit. Whoever said this is easy, you know what to do. We'll got it done. We're gonna probably move the car in shortly and get started on taking it apart. What's coming off?
Taking it apart. Mirrors are coming off. Door handles.
Mirrors, door handles. What else?
Vents.
The vents are coming off on the hood.
Tail lights.
Tail lights.
The side skirt. You take that off.
Side skirts we're taking off.
That's pretty much it.
All right, so we're gonna be pretty much taking apart majority of the car, and start wrapping it.
But before we start wrapping it, we're going to be taking off the wheels
We're gonna take off the wheels,
and redo the calipers.
redo the calipers. What color are we gonna do with the calipers?
We're still debating.
Still debating. If you guys have a specific idea as far as what color the calipers should be, comment down below. Let me know. When I did the twist, you guys might have seen the color. When I turned around, I shouldn't have said twist, but when I turned around, you guys might have seen the color. But let me know what you guys think the color is gonna be, because this color is actually out there. A few people have done it. I actually follow a couple of people that actually have the color. I liked it so much that to the point where I haven't seen it on the Q60s or any of the Infinitis. I was like, you know what? Let's go ahead and do the Infiniti this color, the Q60. So hopefully, I'm hoping it looks good, because at the end of the day, I don't know if it's gonna look good or not. I don't know if it's gonna be a mistake doing it this color, but I'm hoping that we chose the right color, because based on Photoshop, rendering the car into that color, it looked good. So let's go ahead and see what we're gonna do right now. After dismantling the car, I'll give you guys some behind the scenes on that as well. And hopefully we get started. Do you think we'll get started on wrapping it today? Probably not, huh?
No, we got to do a lot of prepping.
We got a lot of prepping. So we're gonna do some prepping.
He said to clean up, some sanding to do.
So, oh yeah, because we did take off the wrap, there's some adhesive left over on the car itself that we're gonna have to clean up and do some prepping to go ahead and claying, to make sure that the new film sticks on. There is no debris beneath it, so there is no extra poking out of the vinyl. But let's get started. By the way, another thing that we also have to add to the fix-it list, I've lost count. The TPMS sensor on the left side where the car got hit is actually leaking air. So on top of the tire, got to get a new TPMS sensor. So if you guys know anybody that has one, or I can get my hands on the ASAP, comment below, shoot me their Instagram tag, whatnot, and we'll go from there. But as of right now, flat tire, kind of. So we're gonna put some air into the tire, drive it in, finish off the rest. All right, so we got the car back inside the shop. Majority of the wrap is off already. Also is doing his thing. Now, there's a couple of parts that I do have laying around the house that I'm probably gonna bring in so we can replace off the car, such as the side view mirror caps, the carbon fiber caps. Got a couple of diffuser add-ons that I think we're gonna try out, but we'll see about those. I'll bring them in, we'll see how it goes. If they're good, we'll put it on the car. If not, then we won't put them on the car. But the mirror caps are gonna get changed. That's for sure happening regardless. But as of today, for today, we're gonna call it quits. Well, I'm gonna call it quits. Also, it's probably gonna stay late and work on the car as much as he can. And I'll probably be back tomorrow to help him out as much as I can too, so we can get some behind the scene footage as well from the build. Like I said, if you guys have not subscribed yet, make sure you guys do like, comment, and let me know what you guys think of these types of contents. If you guys want to see more, and if you guys want to see me more hands-on with the car as well, I'll be more than happy to be more hands-on. But there's a couple of things that we need to do before we can go ahead and, you know, finish the car as well. So like I said, the mirror caps are going to go on. Got some diffuser add-ons that we're going to try out, and we'll go from there. I am calling it quits for today. I'm tired. Still have some other stuff that I need to take care of before I get home, but I am gonna be bringing some extra stuff with me, like I said, and I'm also probably going to bring my Noco trickle charger for the car, so I can go ahead and put that onto the car and see if that helps the battery out at all. Hopefully it does. But let me know if you guys like the content, and again, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment. See you guys on the next vlog.